Good afternoon, everybody. This is Luis Alfredo Cortez. Today, we are talking about the derivation and the linguistic process. Okay, here we go. Right now, we are going to speak about the derivation. And what is derivation? In linguistics, derivation is the process of forming a new word on the basis of an existing word. For example, we got the words happiness and unhappy from the word happy. It often involves the addition of a morpheme in the form of an affix such as ness and ation. Derivation stands in contrast to the processes of inflection, which means the formation of grammatical variants of the same word as with. For example, determine, determines, determining, determined. Okay? Derivation morphology. Okay. The derivation morphology often involves the addition of a derivational suffix or other affix. Such an affix usually applies to words on one lexical category part of a speech and change them into words of another such category. For example, the English derivational suffix lie change adjective into a verbs slow, slowly. Examples. Okay, right now we're going to give you some examples to determine the derivational patterns and their suffixes. Okay, we get the ness. For example, adjective noun to noun, ness, slow, slowness, adjective to verb, ice, modern, modernize, adjective to adjective, ish, red, reddish, adjective to adverb, live, personally, personal, personally, noun to adjective, all, recreation, recreational, noun to adverb, fine, glory, glorify, verbs to adjective, able, drink, drink able, verb to noun, ends, deliver, deliverance, verb to noun, air, write, writer. Okay, right now we can also the derivation occur without any change of forms, for example, telephone, noun and telephone, noun and to telephone verb. Okay, derivation is not obligatory. Typically, produce a greater change of meaning from the original form is more likely to result in a form which has a somewhat individual meaning, often change the grammatical category of a root. Derivation can be contrasted with inflection. In that derivation produce a new word. A distinct lesson where inflection produces grammatical variants of the same word. For example, note that the derivational offices are bound morphemes. They are meaningful units, but can only normally occur when attached to another word. It also differs from inflection in that inflection does not create new lessons but new word forms. Example, we get the word table, tables, open, open, opened. Okay? Okay. It was all for today. I hope I hope you really enjoy it and I see you next time. Bye bye.